The answer, the greatest common factor of two relatively prime numbers is 1. It will be 1. Two relatively prime numbers such that 5 and 6. We called it relatively prime numbers because the head common factor between 5 and 6 is 1. 5 and 6 can't be divided any numbers without 1. So 5 and 6 we called it relatively prime numbers. We know relatively prime numbers, two numbers can't be divided by any digits without 1. So 5 and 6 we called it relatively prime numbers. So the greatest common factor of two relatively prime numbers is 1. Question number 2 is the absolute value of the opposite of negative 1 1/2 is space. We know the opposite of negative 1 1/2, it will be 1 1/2. Absolute value of 1 1/2, it will be 1 1/2. Question number 3. Muhammad has 60 Egyptian lira. His friend Ali has less money than Muhammad. Then Ali may has 53 pounds. Choose letter A. Because Ali less than Muhammad. Okay, Ali has less than money. Okay, Ali has less money than Muhammad. Muhammad has 60 Egyptian lira, then Ali will has 53 Egyptian lira. Question number 4. In the opposite histogram, how many students get more than 50 marks? 50 marks. Okay, look at here. He wants how many students get more than 5 marks. More than 5 marks here, 50 marks. Okay, 50. This is 50. Okay, we have 20 students get 50 marks, but we want to find more than 50. This will be 70. This point 70 and this point 50. 70 plus 50 equal 120. Okay, next question. Question number 5. The number 2.71 belonging to rational number. Letter D. It's a decimal. Okay, belonging to rational number. 2.71 belonging to rational number because 2.71 we can write it 271 over 100. Now we will solve question number 6. We want to find the median of values 109, 90, 114, 120, 97, 104, 93, 98, 127, and the last one 94. First step, we must arrange all values here ascending order or descending. I will solve it by arrange ascending order. Write the smallest number 90 and then 93, 94, 97, 98, 109, 104 first, 109, 114, 120, 127, and then we can cancel digit by digit and digit by digit, and we will have two numbers in the middle here. We can find the median by add two numbers and divided by 2. Write 98 plus 104 divided by 2. We must add numbers and divide it by 2. Equal 4 plus 8 equal 12, 2 and the carry up 1, 1 plus 9 equal 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2, 202 divided by 2, it will be 101. So the median will be 101 about question 6. Okay, question 6, write 101, choose the letter B. Question number 7. Which of the following are like terms? Like terms, it will be 23 and 32, which was letter A. Like terms, it's algebraic term here. Numerical numbers, 23 and 32. Question number 2, complete the following. The values of the expression x plus 5 Question number 1, we have the expression x plus 5 for x equal 4. Then we can put x equal 4 here, then 4 plus 5 equal 9. It's the value of this expression. Question number 2, if m minus 2 equals 7, then m plus 1 equals space. We can find the value of variable here and variable m. M will be equal 9 because 9 minus 2 equals 7. Then m will be equal 9. Then we want to find m plus 1. Put m equal 9, then 9 plus 1 equal 10. Then the result will be equal 10. Question 3. The word phrase for the equation m equal 4l, we can write m equals 4 product by L, or the product of 4 and L. Question number 4. The box bullet shows the data for graduates of some students. Then the upper quartile here, the upper quartile, it will be 40. It's the upper quartile, and lower quartile 25, and the minimum 20, and the maximum to 45, and the median, this number lies between 30 and 35, we call it the median. So we want to find here the upper quartile, it will be 40. 40 is the upper quartile. Question number 5. The verbal form of 2x plus 1, meaning twice the number x added to 1. Or we can write 2 times x added to 1. Twice x added to 1. Question 6. 8 multiplication by 5 plus 4 equal 40 plus space. We use the here distributive properties. 8 times 5 equal 40, and 8 times 4 equal 32. Question 7. In the equation, y equal half x plus 3. If x equals 6, then y will be equal half of value of x, half multiplication by 6 plus 3. Half of 6, it will be 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then y will be equal 6. Question 8. The types of static equation are numerical and categorical. Question 8. The types of statistical equations are numerical and categorical. Okay, we can write numerical. Okay. And categorical. Okay. The types of statistical equation. Types of statistical equations are numerical and categorical. The types of statistical equations are space and space, right? Numerical and categorical. Categorical. Okay. Question number 3 choose the correct answer. Number 1. 1 and 3 over 5 plus 2 and 1 over 5. We have the same denominator. And 2 plus 1 equal 3, 3 plus 1 equal 4. Question number 2. The range of the values 5, 9, 10, 7, 4. We can find the range. Write the greatest number, subtract by the smallest number. Or we can write here 10, the greatest value. Smallest value here 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Question 3. 5 power 4, it means 5 by 5 by 5 by 5. 5 by 5, 25, 25 by 25 equals 625. Question number 4, the greatest number from the following we have here 1 over 5, 1 over 6, 1 over 4, 1 over 3, then the result here will be 1 over 3. It's the greatest number because we have the same numerator about all fractions. If all numerator equality in the fractions, we must choose the smallest denominator. The smallest denominator can convert the fraction from smallest or from greatest to smallest because 3 less than 4 and less than 6 and less than 5, but 1 over 3 it will be greater than 1 over 4 and 1 over 6 and 1 over 5, then the result will be 1 over 3. You want to find the greatest number from the following. Question number 5 is the mean of the values. Question number 5, we want to find the mean. Equal, we must add all the value and divide the number of digits. 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 7 equal 19, 19 plus 6 equal 25. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. It's the mean about this example. Question number 6. The smallest non-negative integer is 0. 0 is non-positive and non-negative. Question 7. 19,160 divided by 56 equals 342 and the remainder space. We can find the remainder by multiplication, divisor by the quotient, and the result subtracted by the dividend. We can write 19,160 subtract the multiplication between 56 and 342. First, we can find the multiplication 342 times 56. 2 times 6 equal 12, 2 and carry up 1, 4 times 6 equal 24, plus 1 equal 25, write 5 and carry up 2, 3 times 6 equal 18, 18 plus 2 equal 20, plus 0, 5 times 2 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 4 times 5 equal 20, plus 1 equal 21, write 1 and carry up 2, 3 times 5, 15, 15 plus 2 equal 17. And then it's them 2, 5, 1, 7 plus 2 equal 9 and 1. Then we can find the remainder, write the dividend, 19,160 subtract by the multiplication between divisor and the quotient, it will be 19 and 152. Then the difference between them, it will be 8. We can find the remainder between two numbers here, it will be 8. Okay, understood? Question 7, choose letter B. Next question, answers the following. Find the least common factor and least common multiplication of 10 and 30. We know 30 can divide it by 10. Then the least common factor between two numbers, it will be the smallest between them, it will be 10. Okay, and I will use Venn diagram to find the solution. We know 10 equal 2 by 5. We have two prime numbers here. Stop, don't complete here. And 30 equals 3 by 10 and 10 equal 2 by 5. And then we can draw Venn diagram between two numbers 30 and 10 and write the comma between them 2 and 5 here, 2 and 5, and the remainder here 3. Okay, and then we can find the greatest common factor and the least common multiplication. Greatest common factor between them, it will be 3 by 2 by 5, it will be 30. and the least common multiplication between two numbers, write 2 by 5. It's the least common multiplication, 2 times 5. It's the least common multiplication, 2 times 5. 2 times 5 times 3, it will be 30. Okay, see 10, trace one factor, this part. Or we know 30 can divide it by 10 equals 3. Then 10, we called it greatest common factor. And the least common multiplication, it will be 30. Okay, the greatest common factor, it will be 2 times 5 equal 10. And the least common multiplication between two numbers, 2 times 5 times 3, because 30 can divide it by 10. 30 can divide it by 10, then 30 we called it the least common multiplication, and 10 the greatest common factor between two numbers. Okay. Next question. Number 2. Examine these two expressions and determine whether they are equal. If so, consider whether they are always equal. Complete here. Put first x equal 1 in the first expression. Put x equal 1. First expression. In the first expression here, we have 4 times 1 plus 1. Put x equal 1. We have here x plus 1. Then 4 times 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. And the second expression, put x equal the same number, equal 1. Then we have the two expression here, 3x plus x. Put x equal 1, then 3 times 1 equal 3 plus 1, it will be 4. Then the result here 8 and here 4. It's not equivalent. Then the two expressions are not equivalent. These two expressions are not equivalent because the result about expression 1, it will be 8, and second expression, it will be 4. It's not same. Okay, so the two expressions not equivalent. Next question, number 3. The following table shows the daily weeks for 50 workers of company set from 120 to 129, frequency 8, and from 130 to 139, frequency 10, from 140 to 149, frequency 16, from 150 to 159, frequency 12, and from 160 to 169, 4. Draw the histogram for this distribution. Okay, first I will draw the first step here. Write or draw x-axis and y-axis, and the first interval and second interval, third, we have 5. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First from 120, first and second and third and fourth and fifth. From 120 to 109, it will 8. The greatest number equals 16. We can write 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It's x-axis and y-axis, horizontal here and vertical. And then put a point about the first interval to 8 here, and drawing by using the ruler, the histogram here, and second interval to 10, put the point to 10 here, and the draw the vertical, and the next to 16. Draw. Okay, this is, and the fourth to 12 here. And last one here to 4. Okay, now finished this question. And next question here, question number 4, the last one here. Okay, question 4. Wafa's flower garden consists of 3/7 cornflowers and 2/5 poppies. The rest of the garden is filled with roses. Okay, what is the fraction of the roses of a garden? Okay, it's the garden of Wafa flowers garden 3/7, about this part, the first flower, and second flower 2/5. We want the last part of the garden here. It will be what? How many fraction? What is the fraction of the rose in Wafa garden? We can add two numbers, subtract from 1 to find the result here about roses. Wafa, the roses in Wafa garden, it will be what? 1 subtract by sum of them 3/7 and 2/5, right? 1 subtract sum of them, right? The least common multiplication between two denominator, it will be 35, because we have two prime numbers. To find the least common multiplication between 7 and 5, we must find the product of them. 5 by 7 equals 35, and 5 by 3 equal 15, and 2 times 7 equal 14. Convert 1 here, it will be 35/35. Subtract, write 35 here, and 4 plus 5 equal 9, and 1 plus 1 equal 2. And then find the difference between them. Write 35 in the numerator, and 35 minus 25 equals 6. So it will be the fraction the fractions of the roses equal 6/35.